Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Our planet is a massive sphere hurtling through space at a speed of roughly 1,000 miles per hour. It's this incredible rotational speed that gifts our world with the comforting predictability of day and night. It's not just about the rising and setting of the sun, though. This spinning motion is vital for sustaining life as we know it. You see, the Earth's rotation creates a delicate balance of forces. On one side, we have the Earth's gravitational pull, keeping us firmly rooted to the ground. On the other, the centrifugal force, generated by our planet's spin, which subtly pushes everything outwards. It's this interplay that shapes our world, from the bulging equator to the flattened poles. Now imagine all that comes to a sudden halt. The moment the Earth stops spinning, chaos ensues. Imagine the colossal energy stored in our planet's rotation suddenly released. This wouldn't be a gentle halt, but a cataclysmic jolt triggering the most catastrophic earthquakes and tsunamis we've ever seen, reshaping continents in the blink of an eye. Yet, the solid ground beneath our feet isn't the only thing in motion. The atmosphere, too, spins with our world. If the Earth stopped, the air wouldn't. Picture hurricane-force winds sweeping across the globe, faster than any storm we've ever known. These aren't just breezes. These are winds with the power to flatten cities and rip trees from the ground, turning the world into a maelstrom of debris. And as the dust settles, we'd find ourselves in a world unrecognizable, a world where the rules we've known no longer apply. The Earth's sudden halt is not just a stop, it's a reset button. But that's just the beginning of our problems. In the long term, life as we know it would completely change. Imagine the Earth, static, a silent sentinel in space. The climate would undergo drastic transformations. A day would last a year, leading to one side of our planet being scorched by the sun, while the other side plunges into a never-ending winter. As Earth's rotation ceases, its shape would change. The centrifugal force that once bulged the Earth at the equator would vanish, causing land to migrate towards the poles. This would result in the formation of a megacontinent around the equator, while deep icy oceans would dominate the poles. But there's another, less visible yet equally devastating impact. Without Earth's spin, our planet's magnetic field would weaken, leaving us vulnerable to the sun's damaging solar radiation. Our once blue skies would be scorched red, our protective ozone layer stripped away. And yet, this isn't even the most dramatic change. In this new world, survival would mean adapting to a very different environment. Imagine organisms evolving, mutating, and adapting to withstand the harsh extremes of cold and heat, not to mention the intense radiation. Picture plants developing new photosynthetic strategies to cope with half the Earth in perpetual darkness and the other half in constant light. Now think about humanity. We've proven time and again our capacity to adapt, to survive. In this world, we might find ourselves retreating underground or into shielded habitats, creating our own microcosms of the world we once knew. We might develop technologies to harness the intense heat and cold for energy, turning adversity into opportunity. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it's a fascinating exploration of the delicate balance that allows life to flourish on Earth. It's a stark reminder of our planet's incredible resilience and our own ability to adapt, innovate, and survive, no matter what the universe throws our way.
Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and like the Curiosity channel for more thought-provoking content.